Hey there, Dr. Jennifer Taylor from the Center for Firefighter Injury Research and Safety Trends at the Drexel University School of Public Health here in Philly. You know, a dollar will no longer get you a cup of coffee, but a dollar will get you awesome fire service research and training. Imagine if you gave a buck a truck that you have in your department to support fire service research. I want you to know it makes dollars and cents to support EMS and the work that you're doing in the field. This past year, you and your colleagues reacted to unparalleled situations with diligence, sacrifice, and determination. And yet with all of those competing demands, you still managed to prioritize participation in research and training. I want to commend you for engaging with the First Center in all our work, whether it was with the focus survey and culture camps, the Stress and Violence to Fire-Based EMS Responder Saver Project, or the COVID-19 Rapid Mental Health Assessment. I bet you didn't know that researchers have to raise money in order to do the work that the fire service prioritized in the National Life Safety Initiatives. I never knew that as a professor, I'd be running a small business. Therefore, donations to the First Center are critical for us to continue to serve you. Your support will help us address the perfect storm of stressful demands that you are seeing, like increasing demand for EMS services without a concomitant increase in staffing, apparatus, or rest and recovery, plus experiencing verbal and physical violence from patients and bystanders while you're just trying to help. And as fire department budgets are constantly assailed, you are increasingly asked to do more with less. We've got to work smarter and think about how policy can help us help you. So your support for the First Center through Drexel's 24 Hours of Impact campaign will contribute to reducing injury and reducing the mental health burden of first responders through things like geeky things like policy, data analysis, intervention development, evaluation of programs, and training. Not just training of you, but training of the next generation of fire service researchers through our Summer Fire Fellowship program. To date, over 30 graduate students completed the fellowship, and many have gone on to fire service research careers. Your support will help this first in the nation program continue. Did I mention Drexel's 24 Hours of Impact campaign as a competition? Oh yeah, only certain Drexel centers and institutes were selected. So I'm asking you to help us win that competition. If every firefighter and fire-based EMS responder in the country gave $1 today, we could raise over $1.2 million for fire and rescue service research in 24 hours. So please join me today in making a gift towards the First Center to ensure that we can continue this important work and expand to more fire departments throughout the country. We're already in 500 fire departments. We've already reached 60,000 firefighters, but we need to do more because we have a waiting list of people asking for our help. And it is a really bad day when I have to say, sorry, I don't have the money to help you. Let's change that paradigm. So thank you for being there when we needed you the most during this pandemic, and whatever comes down the pike, we know you'll be there. You're always ready for whatever comes your way, but research needs to walk with you as you deal with the traditional hazards of your work and the emerging ones. When you are working, we are working. The First Center has your back. Thank you.